Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a eyebrow tutorial. I know I've been going for a while. I've been doing a little rebranding. For those of you who have watched some of my previous videos, know that I was starting on a business, and I still am. Just doing some rebranding, changing some things around, getting some things together, investing, and all that good stuff. With starting a business, it takes a lot. Not necessarily a lot, but time and effort that goes into it. But today I want to take out a little bit of time to do an eyebrow tutorial for you guys, for some of you that have requested it. So let's go ahead and get right into it. What you want to have is a spoolie, an angled brush, whatever you would like to use for your eyebrows. What I use is the M.A.C. It's the eyebrow styler. I believe, yeah, I'm not sure what color, but, or Spike might be the color, but it's the eyebrow styler by M.A.C. I use that, and then sometimes I'll use the eyebrow gel from NYX, so you can use that too. You also want to have 2 shades lighter for your concealer. You want to have, it can be either concealer or foundation, but you want to have one that's 2 shades lighter, 1 to 2 shades lighter to put up under your eyebrow. And then you want to have either a concealer that's close to your foundation color, or just use your foundation on the top of your eyebrow, so that way you don't have what they call a halo brow. We'll get into that. So once you have those, see, this is my it's a foundation and concealer. This is the one I'll be using today in the video. It's by Milani. This is Golden Tan. And then this is my foundation that I also use by M.A.C. It's the Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation NC45. I believe my mom actually uses NC45, if I remember correctly. Let's see. So I also, just to give y'all a little of all the things that I have this is really a foundation palette, but I use it as a concealer palette because it has all these different colors in it. I normally use this one to like do my concealer and contour, and this one to do my contour and stuff like that. But we'll get more into that. I'm not sure if it's going to be in this video, but maybe the next one. But these are definitely the 4 things that you want to have when you're doing your eyebrows. So with this spoolie, you want to just brush the bad boys out. After you brush out your eyebrows with your spoolie, then you want to go ahead and get your whatever you use. Like I said, there's a lot of different products. I actually have different products that I use from time to time if I run out of something, or if I just want to try something different. There's the different products that I use. I'll just show you guys at the end of the video, but go ahead and get whatever you're going to use. And then this has 2 ends to it. And then go ahead and get started. So since I have thick eyebrows, normally I just shade mine in. But for those of you who might have thin eyebrows or don't really have eyebrows at all, you can take like a pomade or the gel, and you can actually pretty much draw out, you know, the shape that you want, and then of course fill them in. Like I said, I have thick eyebrows, as you can tell. The really only part that I like make precise and fill in is my point, because it's thinner down there. You want your front to be thin and like a shadow color, of course, because you want to have that natural brow look. But let's go ahead and get into this. I know y'all probably like, when is she gonna start? I'm starting now. Yeah. Okay, so then once you get to the front of your eyebrow, you want to kind of lift off the pressure or not shade as much, because you, like I said, you want that kind of like light feathery look that blends into the rest of your eyebrow so you can get that natural look. So here I just kind of like do a couple strokes, like I don't even like fill it in, I just do a couple strokes, and then I literally just leave it like that. And then what I'll do to blend it in is I'll take the spoolie side and just brush it so I can get that natural look. So then once I finish with that, like I said, it doesn't look as clean right now, but that's what the concealer and foundation is for. Okay, so once you finish, you know, filling them in, outlining them, all of that good stuff with whatever product you're using, I went ahead and, you know, did this one. You want to go ahead and then use your, like I said, your foundation or concealer, whichever you prefer. But when you're using the bottom, you want to use 2 shades lighter than what, at least 2 shades lighter than what you normally use for your regular foundation. I'm just gonna use this one. This one's a little bit lighter, but it's okay. So once you do that, you take your angled brush and you get some product on your brush, and then you want to go ahead and follow the line of your eyebrow. Now, if your eyebrows are arched, it's going to be a little bit easier. But if they're not, like I said, just follow the line of what you shaded or what you drew on, whatever you call it. Okay, so once you finish lining them up at the bottom, you see I kind of drug it down a little bit. That's because you'll take your beauty blender and you'll blend it out. So then after we do that, we go ahead and take the color that's either the same as your foundation, or a concealer that's the same as your foundation, or your foundation, and you go ahead and put it at the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that color here, and you, like I said, same thing, you just want to follow the shape of your brows. So yeah, you just want to drag it out. And then I drag it down. And that's pretty much it. You know, like I said, you see an imperfection, which is fine. Everything's not always gonna be perfect. Just fix it up. And then after that, normally I'll just take my spoolie, brush them hairs back up in place, like so. And then of course you do the other side, and then you blend it out, and you pretty much finish with the rest of your makeup. But it's an eyebrow tutorial today, so you're not gonna see the full face. Anyway, nah, I'm just kidding. Okay, so once you finish, you'll get something that looks sort of like this. What you'll do is you'll take your beauty blender. I have a whole bunch of different ones, but any one will do. Take your beauty blender and just blend all of that out. So once you blend it out, it'll look something like this. Like I said, you want to use 2 shades lighter at the bottom and color closest to your foundation at the top, and just blend it out as best as you can. Like I said, it don't have to be perfect, because if you are doing a full face of makeup, this will get cleaned up. Even if you're not, that's why you want to use something close to your skin tone. That way it'll just blend out easily. That way if you have one day where you just want to rock your eyebrows and some lip gloss and some lashes, you'll be done and good to go. So after that, that's pretty much my eyebrow routine. After that, I will go ahead and start my eyeshadow, and then I'll go into, I'll go into my foundation, all of that good stuff. But other than that, that's how you do it, guys. Well, that's how I do it. If you like it, try it. If it doesn't work for you, try it again. And no, not everything will work for everybody. Not every product will work for everybody. That's why it's numerous of YouTube videos out there. This is just one technique that I use because I do have thick eyebrows. Like I said, another technique that you guys can definitely use or look into, and I can actually do a tutorial on that one too. It's just a little bit more difficult for me because I have thick eyebrows. But like I said, another technique is using like the gel or the pomade to actually, you know, draw out your eyebrows and shade them in that way. A lot of people also use the gels or the pomades to get those fine strokes, hair-like strokes, so it does also look natural. So that's another thing that you can do too, and I can also do a tutorial on that as well. I do that from time to time when I just want like a natural fill-in brow. But other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'm hoping to have more stuff coming for you guys. I do want to start giving you guys more tutorials. I know some of you who are watching me and supporting me have been asking, you know, can you show me this? Can you show me that? So I'm trying to give you guys a time of day. But also make sure you go follow all my social media. I'll put it down in the description box. Definitely stay tuned and definitely support, you know, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, don't just sit here and watch this whole video without hitting subscribe. Push it right now. Thank you. Okay. So also definitely let me know what you guys want to see next. Let me know ideas. Send me different makeup looks that you guys want to see or work on together or do together. If you need like a walkthrough video, let me know. But I see you guys on the next one.